Every morning, my alarm rings at 7 a.m.
When I wake up,
I stretch my arms and legs to feel awake. It feels so good. I always make my bed first to keep my room neat and clean. It only takes a minute, and it starts the day right. Then, I walk to the bathroom. In the bathroom, I brush my teeth and use mouthwash to keep my mouth fresh and clean. Next, I wash my face with cool water and put on some moisturizer. Then I do some light exercise at home. I start with a few stretches to warm up my body. It really helps me feel energized. After that, I do jumping jacks. I start with a few stretches, push-ups, and a few simple exercises. Morning exercise gives me more energy and helps me stay healthy. When I finish, I take a refreshing shower. Finally, I look in the mirror to make sure I'm ready for the day. Now it's time for breakfast. I go to the kitchen. Time to make some tea. Let's get these tea filters. Perfect. Now I'll put a tea filter into the cup. Next, pouring some hot water. And now we let it brew for a few minutes. Now, I'll remove the tea filter. I like to add a little milk and 1 spoon of sugar. Then I'll stir it well. My hot tea is ready. It smells so nice. I take my cup and enjoy my morning tea.
I finish my tea and relax for a few minutes. Then I sit at my desk and turn on my laptop. First, I check my emails.
Okay, emails are done. Now for the messages. Will do, thanks for the heads up. Sometimes, I do a little work before breakfast. About an hour later, I'm starting to feel hungry. Now it's time to make breakfast. This morning, I made oatmeal with banana slices and a sprinkle of cinnamon. First, I add the banana slices, then a sprinkle of cinnamon, and it's ready to enjoy. I also boiled an egg for protein and poured a glass of orange juice. The egg adds great protein to keep me going all morning. And the fresh orange juice is the perfect refreshing drink. Having a healthy breakfast gives me energy for the day, and the orange juice really wakes me up. When I'm done, I clean up the dishes or put them in the dishwasher, and I return the cereal box and bowls to the cupboard. After breakfast, I pack my bag for the day. First, the laptop, notebooks for my meetings, wallet and keys, all essentials packed, ready for the day. At around 8:30 a.m., I lock the door and leave the house to go to work. Then I walk to the bus stop near my home. I wait for a few minutes. Soon, the bus arrives and I get on the bus. Okay, time to find a seat. Perfect. After about 20 minutes, I arrive at my workplace. Time to get to work. Morning, 9 a.m., right on time. Time to get to work. Hello, everyone.
Hi, hello.
I'm going to my desk. After that, I start working. I work on one task at a time. Around 11 a.m. Time for a short break. Let's enjoy this cup of coffee. Okay, let's check these emails. All right, work is done. Hey, quick question on this. Sure, what's up? Got it, thanks. Wow, time really flies when you're focused. Just wrapping up these last tasks. I finish work at about 5:30 p.m. Now it is time to go home. I walk to the bus stop. Here we are. Finally, here comes the bus. All right, off to work. Should be a good day. Please tell me in the comments, what is your daily routine? I would love to read your comments. See you in the next video. Bye. Have a wonderful day.